Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today we are going to check if we can add here face unlock. So we have to go for the settings, go for the lock screen and the security, and when we scroll down we can find screen lock type. When we input our currently logged method, we can find here swipe, pattern, pin, password, and we can go also without any screen lock type. When we go back, as you can see here, we can also, we cannot find here also face unlock or fingerprint sensor or fingerprint sensor. When we also go to other security settings, there is no option like face unlock. So on this smartphone we cannot use face unlock. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.